Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you notify every time I upload a new video. Guys, I have a Chanel unboxing too. The last time I unboxed a Chanel, that was last year, and a card holder, but this time, oh my god, I found my perfect bag that is so cute. You know me, I always like mini bag. I have so many bags that I'm looking getting this year, but you know, in Hermes it's really hard to get, and I saw this one. It's actually, this is a seasonal bag, and I said to myself I will not even buy anything Chanel because they keep increasing the price. But when I saw this bag, I said to myself, uh-oh, no way, this is being in trouble. So here it is. Anyway guys, finally in my local Chanel in here by Neiman Marcus, they have two colors, black and white, and also just a black. And I don't want to hesitate to buy something like that because I have black bags that I don't really use much, and also I do have, and I want different color. Went to Orlando and I saw this color. I was so in love with this color. They have only two left. I was debating, like, you know, because I'm looking for something if they have like a error or something not good about this item. Oh, I was there for like an hour until I decided to go ahead out to grab this one. So he was so nice. Actually, he gave his call number, so at least when I want something, I just, you know, contact with him. So he's nice that he put a ribbon over here, and also nice of him that he put a book over here. And it's really nice because I like collecting all this, you know, coffee table over here. But he said the only one they have is the jewelry. So I said it's fine, you don't have the bag one. And yeah, let's see. It is over here. And this is my receipt and a calling card for him. Oh, are you guys excited? I was so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Every time I unbox a Chanel, I'm always excited, but this one, it's so darn cute. Comes with Camilla over here. When I box something, there's always something put in there. You know what? I might buy something and use this one to make it like that, so it looks like a pin. Oh, it's so cute. Anyhow, let's do that. I will do probably another video. There's Chanel. I'm just excited with this, guys, and I will mention about the leather of this. And yeah, she gave me this one over here. I'm not gonna show you. They actually cut the item, and this is the authenticity card. There she is. Okay guys, dun, 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 dun. Okay, oh my god, he wrapped really good, nice for this. Oh my lord. Okay guys, you will surprise as well when you see in this color combination. I was like blown away. I was actually wanna wrap this up and buy that thing, but you know, you have to check every details of this bag because I know I get so many complaints about Chanel, that this and that they have like a error something of their items. So here it is. I'm gonna show you so at least you know what it looks like. This is one of the famous this year, I think. And this is, I removed already. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is the Chanel 31 in mini size. Oh, I already seen. I'm not sure. This is the end, the stitching of this. Look at this one, guys. I already seen. I forgot to check the strap about this, but we'll see. So you also wrap with this thing. Remove this. It's really nice. Actually, I didn't check the strap, by the way. I'm more focused on the leather on this side over here, and this is the gold hardware, and this is the lambskin. I know, guys, I know I hate lambskin, but I can't say no with this color combination of this, and it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I wish to make a goat skin instead of lambskin. And this is the magnetic closure, by the way. So that's what it is. They have a magnetic closure. Let's move this one. And this is what it looks like. It's very plain. And this one is made in, let's see, made in Italy. It is not made in France, made in Italy. I wish it's made in France. Anyway, they have a one pocket compartment over here, as you can see. Just one pocket. And actually, guys, it's only fit my phone. I have iPhone 12 Pro. It fits, and also fit the card holder. Yeah, I seems like so many people look at this bag because yeah, I see this one over here. I guess that's the end one over there, but hopefully it doesn't, you know, let me too quick of this strap because I don't want to be, you know, I've been hearing a lot of stitching and everything about the Chanel now, because some of it is not really, you know, good. But I wish I did look up this thing, but overall it's not bad. The only thing I would, what that one, there's the end, maybe that's the end and I forgot to sew that back. Let's see the end of this one. They are the same. They are the same like that. And this one is quite long. I wish they have adjustable. And yeah, sometimes I just use this one and just to hold like that. See, that's what I'm saying. It's like, it's a magnetic closure. They have a, see guys, this is the back of this. Also, I get the beading of this thing over here. See guys, as you can see, what do you think of this? And he actually explained that to me. That's the way it is with this lambskin, because this one is been sitting on the floor. This is the one I'm getting. The other one has an issue. The stitching and the bottom of this one over here, it's peeling, and I see that part. I mean, I said, nah, I'm not getting that because the stitching, I see it already has a problem to it. And the only problem I'm concerned about this one is over here. That one, it's more like, as you can see, it's wrinkled. See, when I press, it's concerned about it, and hopefully it doesn't peel for after, you know. But I have a 2-year warranty with this one, and I love the shiny. That's why one thing also good about lambskin is the shininess is perfect. I just don't like it because it's easy to scratch of this one, but when I touch with this one, it's so nice. I have to take care of this baby because this is lambskin again, but I can use more often on this one than my mini rectangular one. I'm just hoping this, you know, concern about the side, but like I said, I always make myself to taking care of my bags. That's why most of my bags is like always good condition, because you know, I get so many. I always replace them from time to time. So also I asked about this one over here. It's like, this is the part of it. It's because it's too small and they also like stretch and you know, um yeah. And also this is like a handmade, that's why it's the way this stitch is not really a machine. This is everything that Chanel is handmade. Yeah, I really love this color so much. And probably let me see what the size. Okay, where is that? I'm looking for that one, guys, so at least you know what is the size of this. There it is. Okay, the size of this one, I'm not sure what is the size because never say anything. Actually, this is called phone holders with chain, gold metal, and this is from 24B collection. That's what is this, guys. So everything now Chanel has this one. They don't have those authenticity card, this black one. They don't have that anymore. That's what he said. And yeah, and I'm just hoping that I'm not sure if they have this number or something. Yeah, I think they still have a, yeah, they still have a sticker in the back. And this is, and let's see. So this one over here, guys, this one over here, as you can see, it has CC logo in it, which is really cute. And same with this other one as well. I'm just hoping that this one is removable or adjustable, so at least, you know, you can wear this. But Chanel's always give a hard time with their client because they always keep changing something. And what I was thinking, maybe I just wrap with this one over here and to make it smaller. And I am short, and this one is like all the way from my below to my hip, so that's how long it is. Well, I am short, but if you are taller, this is perfect for you. And I also seen one, the smaller one, they have a micro for this smallest one. This only fits card holder. Don't waste for that. Well, for me, I rather get something you can put my phone and card holder for this, rather just like not so much difference for the price. So yeah, and the color, guys, the color is so perfect. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this. Anyway, guys, that's it. I know I'm gonna, next my video is what fits in this bag, because this is gonna be a long if I'm gonna do that. So anyhow, again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.